NiceDeco Nail Stickers Nail Tattoo Nail Decal Water. These are really cute and a lot easier to apply than I thought. They were shipped fast and last for a long time on your nails. Nice product, for sure. NiceDeco Nail Stickers Nail Tattoo Nail Decal Water. How to use: 1. Trim and clean the nails. Paint your nails with the color of your choice and dry it out. 2. Remove the film of product, cut out the design you want to use and plunge into water for 10-30 seconds. 3. Using tweezers or a gentle touch, place the water transfer in the desired position on your nail. 4. Sop up any remaining water with a tissue and either wait for 1-2 minutes to set or blast for 30 seconds with a hair dryer. 5. Apply top coat and allow to dry. Nail Tattoo Sticker Paws Black. I was cautious about buying these stickers, but they were so inexpensive I decided to try them out. I was excited when they arrived very quickly. You have to be careful with them. After all, they are just a thin layer. I used tweezers to carefully remove them from their backing. In minutes I had beautiful flowers on my nails, with a glossy top coat over them. Very nice. I will buy them again. Nail Art Nail Tattoo Sticker Blossom Flower. I have been looking for these for some time. I loved the Kiss brand, available everywhere many years ago. They are easy to apply and last longer than nail polish. Star Nail Stickers. Awesome stickers. Came in a regular envelope though, so I almost threw it out. Nail Art Nail Tattoo Sticker Full Covers Hostovo. Beautiful, made so in love with these decal stickers. I purchased a while ago and still have more left. Will continue to order different kinds. So elegant. Worth the money and ship fast. So excite, so well made to look nicely in your nails. Can go with all outfits of clothing, mix and match with some blinks. Nail Art Nail Tattoo Sticker Rose Tribal. I was cautious about buying these stickers, but they were so inexpensive I decided to try them out. I was excited when they arrived very quickly. You have to be careful with them. After all, they are just a thin layer. I used tweezers to carefully remove them from their backing. In minutes I had beautiful flowers on my nails, with a glossy top coat over them. Very nice. I will buy them again. Born Pretty One Sheet Nail Wraps Mysterious Starry Sky. Very glittery and pretty. They are plenty large for wide long nails. With my short nails, I put on 2 accent nails using 1 strip. This is the first time I have used wraps. It wasn't too tricky, because I could lift and reposition them. I will have to see how long they last. Edited to add. These really looked great, and with a top coat they lasted 5 days and would have gone longer, but the polish on my other nails was chipping, so I redid my manicure. For what it's worth, even with the glitter these came off quite easily with acetone-based nail polish remover.